Good day, sir.
Good day.
Sir, may I know your name?
My name is Reverend Father Lawrence Lucky Wanko.
Okay.
I'm from Umunze in Orumba South Local Government Area, Anambra State. Okay, the inspiration I must tell you now came from God, the Holy Spirit inspired me to sing this song. I went to the studio, all of a sudden I heard a voice talk about OKENWA to the world in your own culture, and I took it from there. From there till now, it remained a success. And when I look back and see how far OKENWA have already placed me in the world, especially in Nigeria, everybody, if I pass around, people will like Father OKENWA, Father OKENWA. I'm so happy. I decided to choose my village, Umunze, because we have a wonderful culture in Umunze, Ericha Boro, where beautiful masquerades come out to celebrate the, planting season. Use Umunze because it will be very, very easy for me to translate OKENWA or to project OKENWA to the world with my own culture, which I know. But at the end of the day, it all went well. People were so much excited. That's my whole happiness. My people were so much excited. Umunze, everybody, the crowd, they came. Of course, going to see it in the official video coming up. It's very, very beautiful. You're gonna enjoy it.
I would have asked more questions, but already we have picked some point and how you have cleared the air. Sir, thanks for your time.